Hey guys! Okay, please forgive me. I'm trying out this new mic here and I really don't know if you're gonna hear movement. I tested it out and I do hear a little, but I'm gonna try my best not to let my hair touch it too much. All right, well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sally. I'm a mom and a wife and I like to share with you a bunch of things that I enjoy, which involve easy recipes for cooking and baking, some DIYs, and organizing hacks. And then here and there, I'll add in little hauls, or like today, I will be sharing with you what I got for Christmas. Hey, no, I mean, I hate to bring it up, you know, 2020 is done and over with and we have moved on to better things. But I wanted to rewind just a little bit because Christmas 2020 has meant so much to me, to see how much effort people still put in behind Christmas to make it extra special, because we know that it's a trying time. I can shine some light on the fact that here in Hawaii, and I'm sure in a lot of places, but especially here in Hawaii, the word aloha goes such a long way. It is not just a way of saying hello or goodbye. It is indeed a way of life. We love, we care, we take care of everybody. Everyone treats each other like family. I mean, people went above and beyond to make sure it was still going to be a special holiday here. An example is we had our show Aloha Land, a holiday wonderland, which was a drive-through light show, and Hawaii never really had something like that before, and it was just so special. It was built by these men who are from here and made sure the proceeds had gone for a good cause. I did make a video of us driving through it. I'm gonna leave that link in the description box so that you can go and take a look on the winter wonderland drive-through that we went through. Because of this pandemic, I am not able to see people that I would normally see on a day-to-day basis because I do not have any other social medias. The only social media that I'm actually active on is YouTube. To be able to connect and share what I like with you has given other people the opportunity to get to know me a little better. So to dive right into the first gift that I received is because of what I just talked about. My friends who have watched me on YouTube and learned a little bit more about me went shopping and found items that reminded them of me, and they went out and bought it for me, and it just meant so much. The first item I'm gonna show you, which I thought was really cute, absolutely loved, is wrapping paper. If you look closely, these are little gnomes. If you watched my Christmas shopping haul, you'll learn that I have recently found my love in gnomes. I guess I stressed it enough that I loved gnomes that my friend went shopping and found this super cute wrapping paper, and to be quite honest, I don't even know if I want to use it because I think it's just so pretty. And I'm not a pink person. I don't care for the color pink, but if there's gnomes on it, I mean. Now what makes this gift even more special to me is I didn't only receive this from one friend, I received it from two friends. So shout out to Angela and Chelsea. If you're watching this, thank you so much for the wrapping paper. You guys know me, you know that I love gnomes.
You know that I like gnomes.
But this just goes to show that a few dollars can really make somebody's day. When I seen this, I really inside I felt so extra loved. Thank you so much, Chelsea and Angela, for the beautiful gnome wrapping paper. The next gift I'm going to show you is from my son. My son had picked up on the clues that I have a love for gnomes. So he bought me this little plushy gnome. I thought it was so thoughtful and cute of him. And it came with, I don't know if these came together. No, they did not come together. My son loves stuffed animals. So these are two things. It totally represents him. He loves to do crafts. So I also got my handmade Christmas card that I did personally request for. My daughter, on the other hand, she knows me on a different level. So if you watched some of my videos, you know that I do enjoy writing. I like doing hand lettering. I like journaling. So she has gotten me this little journal thing here, which says, do more of what makes you happy. And then on top of that, she got me some pens that goes along with it. So that was really sweet of her. Another thing that I love is Disney. Obviously, if you know me, you know that I love Disney. And a few of my friends have gotten me some coasters, and this is a heat, I guess this is like, I don't know what these are called, like the where you put your hot pans or pots on. But yes, this is so cute. I got another one. I don't know, it was a coaster year. I got even more Disney coasters. This one is from my friend all the way from Virginia. Ellen, if you're watching this, thank you so much. And then this. I got this super cute Disney pillow from my cousin Christy. She said she found this on Etsy. First of all, I love Disney and I love the color white and I love pillows. I love pillows. Oh, you can't see it all. You only see half of it here, but I love pillows. I have pillows. I have a lot of pillows. And this one has gotten a special spot in my collection. I really love this pillow. Thank you so much, Christy. I love Disney. Another item I'm going to show you is I got this s'mores maker from my sister. We love s'mores, we love chocolate, we love marshmallows here, so I will definitely be making great use of it. We already used it a couple times and we love it. So my husband knows how much I love collecting photos and memories in any way I can. And something he knows that I really wanted was a printer. This is a little mobile printer that connects to your iPhone, Android, Bluetooth, whatever you have, and some film that goes with it. So a lot of photos I capture on my cell phone, I can just print it right then and there. And I haven't used it yet, but I'm really excited. This is something I wanted for quite a while. Another thing he got me was a flash drive, because with this YouTube hobby, I definitely need more storage space. Another item I got were these teeth whitening kit from my sister. It's called Hi Smile. I have tried a few teeth whitening products and I am just so scared to use them because my teeth are just naturally very, very sensitive. My teeth, it just makes me cringe just thinking about it. But I'm willing to take on that discomfort to try and whiten my teeth again. So I'm thinking about documenting my journey with whitening my teeth with this product to share with you guys to see if you guys are interested in using it for yourself. Another item I got for Christmas was this really cute Bear foam soap dispenser. I don't have it physically here, but I will insert a clip. It is something that is already set up in our bathroom and I think it's so cute. All I do is pour in my Bath and Body Works foaming soap in it and it works perfectly fine. Another item I got are cute travel items. So this is a reusable bag and it's made by Twist and Shout. It's called Be the Aloha and there is the word Aloha on it with hearts. Really cute for Valentine's Day. And I also have this travel bag that I got and it has a really pretty design on it from Aloha collection. So obviously I'm in the kitchen a lot and a lot of people have picked that up as an idea to get me. And I'm telling you, coasters. I received so much coasters and I got some cutting boards, more coasters, this cute spatula, and another cutting board. Thank you so much. I swear I feel so loved. Another thing I received are ring lights. So in one of my videos, at the very end, kind of like a blooper, it shows that my ring light broke and it was just this mini ring light that I had. Tripod is broken. It disconnected from the tripod and it can't hold up on its own. So for Christmas, I actually received 3 ring lights and 3 tripods. And I thought it was just another thing that was so thoughtful. And I mean, you can never have too much lighting. So I'm very grateful. You can't see it because it's connected to the camera right now, but I do have a very beautiful brand new setup. Again, it was all because they knew I needed it. So thank you to everyone who had gotten me a new ring light. I'm using all of it because it's good to have extra lighting anywhere. It's a little struggle for me to find perfect lighting when I am doing some videos, so it's been so helpful. The last thing I'm going to share with you is a gift from my cousin that she has started a new tradition. My cousin does this thing where she takes the cousins out for a lunch date and pedicure. Day after Christmas, she actually picked us all up, treated us to a Starbucks drink so that we can enjoy it on our drive to Olive Garden, where we had brunch, and that was followed up with a pedicure. And that's something she's done for us for the past 3 years, and I think it's one of my favorite gifts that I look forward to. It's thoughtful, it's something that we can do together and spend time together, and I really think that's better than actually opening up a physical gift, is the quality time that you have with loved ones. But nevertheless, opening gifts are always fun to do as well. So thank you so much to everyone who has made this Christmas extra special for me. I look forward to spending this new year with more inspiring ideas that I can provide for you guys. And if you guys enjoy, again, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye, guys. Testing, testing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. If I move, does it do anything? Excuse me.